In this video, we'll go over creating and updating OKRs in Jell. So to start tracking your goals in Jell, click on this OKRs button at the top in the top menu. And here I can see OKRs for each quarter of different years, if there were any objectives created for that year. I haven't created any for the first quarter of 2021, so that's what I'm going to be doing now. So to add one, just click Add Objective. Give your objective a name and you can change it later. So I'm going to resign our landing page. Click Continue. My first key result, I want to perform an accessibility audit. So I can spell it. And I'm going to measure it when it's completed. I can either measure when it's completed or with metrics. For this purpose, when it's completed. My second key result is going to be designing the page structure. And again, I'm going to measure it when it's completed. My third and final key result is going to be I want to user test on prototypes on 15 people, and I'm going to measure it with metrics. So I haven't tested on anybody yet, so I'm going to start at 0, and then I'm going to go to my target is 15. What type of objective is this? For this one, it's an individual, or you can assign it to a specific team, or everyone in your organization is responsible for it. I'll go with individual for this one. It's going to be mine. Continue. When do I want to accomplish it? Goals can either be quarter or annual. Select which quarter of the year that you want to complete it. For this one, this is a quarter one. Goal of this year, 2021. Save and publish that. And now my OKRs created. Now, as soon as I want to start tracking the progress, I click on this 3-dot menu button. I go to update progress and select in progress for the objectives the key results that are being measured by when they're completed, and save and publish that. Let's say I tested it on 5 people so far. I go back to update progress that day, and I update the number of people. So that's 5. And then as I go, I see this indicator of the progress that I have on my key result. For each key result, you and your team members can comment on each one. You can leave notes for yourself. For each comment, I'll just go with some sample text. Your teams can like it, just for that feedback and engagement. And once I'm finished with this objective, I'm going to go back to update progress. I tested it on 14 people, didn't get to 15, but that's okay. And this was completed. Save and publish. And now I see this indicator. Now I'm at 98%. That's pretty good. Now I want to score how well I believe I did on each key result. The accessibility audit was great. That's a 9. The design and page structure, I was very happy with it. I didn't get to 14 people to test it on. Sorry, I didn't get to 15 people, but it was 14. That's still great. Save and publish that, and then I get an overall score for this objective. And that's it. A great way to remember to update the objective is to add a recurring plan. I think I already have one. So update redesign OKR. You can add it to your future plans, and then hover over the objective. Sorry, hover over the plan. Click on this recurring settings button, and you can select the days that you want it to be added to your plans automatically. Save it, and each Monday, since this is recurring on Monday, when I fill in my stand-up, this will get added to my current plan, so I know to do that. And that's it. Something to remember is that this feature, the OKR feature, is available in our Plus plan. So that's something to keep in mind. If you have any questions, reach out to us at team@jell.com and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching.